Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today's video is gonna be super awesome because I have an exclusive product to show you all. This is Xiaomi's brand new and the most awaited fitness band of 2018. It's the Xiaomi Hey Plus. This is the successor of Mi Band 3 which came out a few months ago. The main difference between both of them is the Hey Plus comes with a big 0.96-inch AMOLED display and NFC support. I'm super excited about this, I can't wait to unbox and check it out. I guess I'm probably the first person in India to get my hands on it and make a video for you guys. The Xiaomi Hey Plus is currently available only in China for now and you have to import it from there. It comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the Hey Plus branding on the front, a picture of the fitness band below that, and at the bottom it says it works with Mi Jia. So I guess it also works with the Mi Home app. Let's see what else is written on it. You've got a list of features here. It has NFC support, heart rate monitor, notification alerts, and it's 50 meters water resistant. At the bottom you got some of its specs. The model number of the product is B1800. It's got a 120 mAh lithium polymer battery, an AMOLED display, and supports both Android and iPhones. So those were some of its specs. That's it, there's nothing else written on it. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review. And also guys, Banggood is currently having 11.11 sale going on and they're offering huge discounts on products. So make sure to visit their website. Let me just remove this outer cover. There we go. Now let's finally unbox it and check out the product. So here it is guys, this is how the inside looks like. We've got the Hey Plus smart band at the top. Let me take it out. So this is how the Hey Plus looks like. Pretty similar to the Mi Band 3. I'll show you the band in detail in a moment. First let's see what else do we get in the box. You get a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info on the product. And along with that you get a USB charging cable for charging the band. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let me show you the smart band. So this is how the Hey Plus looks like. It comes only in black color for now. The product is not that heavy, weighs only around 19.7 grams. The band on the Hey Plus looks very similar to the one on Mi Band 3, only the main tracker has a new updated design. It has a flat surface now instead of a rounded one, and this is how the back side looks like. The quality of the band is very nice, feels soft and durable. Alright, now let me show you the back of the fitness tracker. So this is how it looks. You've got the Hey Plus branding, a heart rate sensor above that, and a 2-pin charging contact. So that was our overview on the design and build quality. Now let me just remove the sticker on the display. There you go. So here is our new Xiaomi Hey Plus fitness band. It's got a 0.96-inch AMOLED display and has a full capacitive touchscreen with a special touch button at the bottom. Let me power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. Okay, it's showing a QR code on the display. I guess we need to download the app to set it up. I'll just do that and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've successfully set up the Hey Plus band, but let me tell you, it was really difficult to go through the setup process and get the band working. The reason is, first thing, it's a Chinese variant, so the entire setup process, even the app, was completely in Chinese. So after struggling for a while translating, it was then asking me for a Chinese phone number for account verification. From where would I bring a Chinese number? I somehow managed to get past all that and finally got this Hey Plus band working. So guys, I would highly recommend you to get the international English variant only. So before I show you all of its features and functions, let me just quickly give you a side-by-side comparison with the Mi Band 3. On the left we've got the Xiaomi Hey Plus and on the right we've got the Mi Band 3. First thing you'll notice is there's a huge improvement in the display segment. The Mi Band 3 has a rounded design with a 0.78-inch OLED touch display, while the new Hey Plus has a larger 0.96-inch AMOLED capacitive touch display. Both of them have a special touch key at the bottom, but the Hey Plus has a backlit touch button and it looks really nice than the one on the Mi Band 3. Just by looking at the display itself, you can tell how much they've improved on the new model. The display resolution has also increased from 128x80 to 240x120. And I have to tell, the AMOLED display on the Hey Plus looks absolutely stunning. Not only the display, but the battery has also been slightly increased from 110 mAh to 120 mAh. Talking about the weight, both of them are similar, they weigh around 20 grams each. And this is how both of them look from the backside. The Hey Plus has an updated high-precision heart rate sensor and a new direct charging design. So now you don't need to take the tracker out of the band for charging. That's a huge thumbs up from me. I really love this new 0.96-inch AMOLED display. It's bright, sharp, produces punchy colors, and the viewing angles are also great. Okay, let me keep the Mi Band 3 aside and show you the Hey Plus. So this is how the home screen on the Hey Plus looks like. It's got a lot of customizable watch faces which you can easily apply from the Hey Plus app. On the home screen, it shows you the day and time, number of steps taken, and some more fitness related info. You can swipe up from the bottom to unlock it or touch the screen anywhere to wake the display. By long pressing the touch key, you can quickly check out your recent notifications. The touch key is very nice, it's backlit so you can even see it in dark and provides a nice haptic feedback whenever you touch it. So swiping down on the home screen brings up the notifications panel, and by swiping up you can access all of its features. As you can see, the interface is entirely in Chinese. That's because this is the Chinese variant. I hope they release an English update for the Hey Plus also pretty soon. The Hey Plus band also has raise to wake display, so whenever you lift your wrist like this, the display wakes up automatically. And it was working pretty well. Now let's check out all of its features. So at the top you got the fitness app which records all of your sports activities. Below that you have heart rate monitor, Mi Home support, weather, sports activity summary, alarms. Going down we have settings, card wallet, and finally Alipay app. So in the sports app, it keeps a track on all of your fitness related info. You just need to press the start button and then it'll ask you to turn on GPS along with the Hey Plus app on your phone. And that's it, it'll start recording your movements. It'll keep a track on your activity time, number of steps taken, distance traveled, heart rate info, and how many calories you've burnt for the day. Press the touch key to end the activity and save all the data on your phone. Now let me show you the heart rate monitor. This is how the interface looks like. This band also supports continuous heart rate measurement which you can enable from the app settings. We'll test it later in the video. It also supports Mi Home app, but if you want to add any automation shortcuts, you need to do that from the Mi Home app on your phone. You can't do anything from the band itself. Let me show you the weather app. So this is how it displays weather. Going down the list, we have the fitness activity summary which shows you the number of steps taken per day, calories burned, distance traveled, and heart rate. So from here you can keep a track on how much activity you've done per day. Alarm section is also same, you need to add them from the Hey Plus app on your phone. Now let's check out the settings. At the top we've got the About section which shows you the battery level of the band, the firmware version, device ID, and some more info. This is the display brightness adjust option. You've got high, medium, and low. Till now it was in high, this is medium, and this is the low brightness mode. I'm leaving it at the default settings. Along with that you got Find My Phone feature. When you click it, your phone starts ringing so you can easily find wherever it is. And finally going down at the bottom, we've got Reset, Restart, and Power Off. So those were all of its settings. Earlier I told you that this band has NFC, right? So this band allows you to save your metro train cards and use them directly from the band itself. And in the same way you can also do payments with it using the Alipay app. But I think these two features are limited only to China. We just have to wait for the international variant to come out. So those are all the apps and features on the new Hey Plus band. Now let me show you the compatible app that you need to install on your phone to pair with the band. The name of the app is Hey Plus and it's available on both Play Store and App Store. Let me open it. So this is how the home screen on it looks like. Even the app is entirely in Chinese. On the home screen it shows you your fitness activity which you can click to expand and give full summary on your activities per day. It shows the number of steps taken, heart rate info, and can even monitor your sleep quality. On the home screen you got a lot of features. This is the watch face menu from where you can apply different watch faces on the band. You get a total of 6 different watch faces pre-installed and can even make your own custom watch faces. Applying them is super easy. Let me show you. You just need to tap on the watch face you want and it'll instantly be applied on the band. Awesome, right? That was super fast. I love all these watch faces, it's hard to choose from. And not only that, you can even apply custom backgrounds by selecting any photo from your phone. Let me show you my customized watch face. There you go. Just look at that, guys. That is insanely awesome. No fitness band in the market can do this. I don't know how it's looking in the video, but to my eyes, this AMOLED display looks absolutely gorgeous. I would give full marks for the display. Going next, we have the notification alerts where you can enable or disable it. It supports both call notifications and message notifications. Along with that, you got WeChat, Mi Home, and all the other app support. Here you can personalize from which apps you'd like to receive notifications on the band. I have turned them on only for my social media apps. This is alarm clock. You can create new alarms by pressing the plus icon at the top. This is the weather tab. From here you can add any city for which you'd like to see the weather. And finally you have the feedback tab. So that was our detailed look at the Hey Plus app. Now let's test the heart rate monitor on it. You can access it easily from the menu, and as soon as you open it, it automatically starts measuring your heart rate. The heart rate monitor was working well and gave accurate results almost 90% of the time. Now let me show you how the call notifications appear on the band. So whenever you get a call on your phone, the band will vibrate and notifies you like this. It shows the number along with the name of the person who called you. The band also gives you an option to reject the call directly from here, just like this. Now let me show you how the message notifications appear on the band. So whenever someone messages you, it shows you the content of the message along with the name of the person who sent it. You can't reply to the messages, you can only dismiss them from here. The company says the Hey Plus is 5 atmospheres waterproof, that means it's 50 meters water resistant, which is the same as the Mi Band 3. And to see if it's really waterproof, we'll be doing a water test. I'll be dropping the Hey Plus band in this bowl full of water and see if it survives. This band is rated 5 atmospheres water resistant, that means you can take a shower with it, go swimming or even dive underwater up to 50 meters. Nothing's gonna happen to it. Also, one thing you should keep in mind is the touchscreen and the touch key both do not work underwater. So let's just leave it here for some time. Alright, now let's take it out and see. Okay, the touch key works. And the touchscreen is also working perfectly fine. The Hey Plus band has definitely passed my water test. Coming to the battery life, it has a 120 mAh lithium polymer battery and the battery life was excellent. On an average, with all the features turned on like Bluetooth, call and message notifications, brightness set to maximum, you'll get around 14 to 15 days of battery life. And if you turn off some of these features, you'll easily get around 18 to 20 days of battery life. And charging it from 0 to 100 took about 2 hours. So that was my review on the Xiaomi's brand new Hey Plus fitness band. This is one of the best fitness band I've seen in this price range. It's got a beautiful 0.96-inch AMOLED touch display, the build quality is top notch, it's 50 meters water resistant, has NFC and offers great battery life. The only few things I'd suggest the company is, it would be nice if they could provide an option to adjust the screen timeout. Also there's no stopwatch on it, so I hope they could add that in the next update. And also please Xiaomi release an English update soon. Rest everything else is fine. The actual price of this product is 4,200 rupees, but since 11.11 sale is going on in Banggood, they're selling this product for only 3,500 rupees exclusively on the Banggood app. I'm not sure till when they'll be offering this discount, but if you wanna buy it, now is your chance, don't miss it. And guys, don't forget, buy only the international variant. The link will be in the description box below, you can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video, hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.